The world is changing faster than we ever expected. Ocean level are rising. Forests are burning. Storms are growing and happening around us. And for a moment, just for a moment to listen, it feels like the earth is crying. Our earth is crying and calling out for our help. The earth is warning us. We humans are affected by the things that we do. And we can't deny it that it's our fault that our planet is suffering. This is the moment that we can no longer ignore. We need to help each other. If we continue this path, we risk leaving the next generation the world full of disaster instead of hope. But if we act now by the conserving energy, reducing waste, planting trees, conserve water, and protecting environment,